Hey, this is Michael de la Cruz, and if you're looking for a method for making money online legitimately, in this video I'm going to share with you 3 legit methods, so stay tuned. Listen up, as a person that actually, works from home, that's actually making money online and has actually surrounded myself with the right people, I know that it is hard to choose a method that really is legit because there's so much junk out there, there's so much people out there that is after your money. But luckily you found me, you found this video, and I'm going to provide you 3 legit ways or 3 legit methods that you can apply immediately and start making money online. Okay, so let me tell you, the first method, it's actually super simple. And before I share with you this, though, I want to tell you that it all starts with traffic, right? And traffic, in case you didn't know, is pretty much visitors. If you didn't know, there's people on Google. If you go to Google, if you go to Google, there's people on Google searching for solutions to their problems. That was me, before I started this journey. I was in an online, I was in a 9-to-5 job that I really didn't see myself working in my whole life. I wanted to change. I wanted to redesign my lifestyle. I wanted to get my life force back. So I went on Google to look for ways to make money online. That was my problem, is that I needed to make money online, because if I do that, then I can spend more time with my wife. I can do things that I love doing, and I just saw that I can do that to pay bills and eventually replace my my job that I didn't even feel comfortable in. So to tell you what my point is, that there are thousands of people searching for solutions on the internet. So with that in mind, keeping that in mind, that tells you that you can actually make money in many ways. But today I'm going to share with you just 3 legit methods, because there's people searching for weight loss solutions. They want to lose weight. That's the problem. There's people searching for real estate. There's people, they want to buy a house. There's people searching for wanting to make money. Maybe you're, just like you're searching for, wanting to make money. So there you go. You just have to come up with the solution to any of those problems, and you can start, making good money online. So let me keep going on this. I'll go back to that later, but let me go ahead and get down to these 3 legit methods. So the first legit method to making money online is simply you can start selling digital products, right? And what I mean by that, maybe you got information that is useful to people, so you can create courses on and put that course on something that you're an expert on, or something that you know how to do really well. Maybe you have a hobby of doing something. You can create a course on how to do different things, like a do-it-yourself course, and you can really sell those, that information on the internet. That's called selling digital products. Maybe you're techie or maybe not, but if you are a techie person, you can design, software. You can make websites. Or, you can offer a service of creating websites or designing websites. There's just different things that you can do, and you can actually put this in a membership area, or you can actually, let's say you're a master chef, right? You can actually create recipes, and you can sell these online. You can have people download this recipe online, or create a mini course on how to how to cook something or how to bake something. There's so many things you can do. So selling digital products is actually the first legit way. And then stay tuned, because at the end of this list, when I go on after the third one, I'm gonna tell you how you can actually go out there and promote these different methods, right? It's really legit. So that's number 1. So selling digital products, you can go out there, you can create a course on something that you are good at, right? And you can sell that online. Legit method number 2, you can do coaching and consulting, right? What I mean by that is that if you're an expert again on something that you have gotten a lot of results in, you can go out there and coach people. There's people searching for that personal touch, that personal one-on-one coaching type of deal, or they're looking for somebody that can be their mentor. So if you're good at something and you have a lot of expertise in an area, um, of your choosing, you can go out there and have people find you on the internet and offer your service, offer your coaching services, and you can charge, you know, an hour. I know people that charge uh, starting like $500 an hour, $100 an hour, depending on what service they're offering or what type of coaching they're offering. So that's another way you can do that. Number three, this is a third, and this is actually my number one recommended method to making money online, right? So that is affiliate marketing. That's actually how I started. So if you're just starting out and you're looking for a way to make money online, this is how you can do it legit. It's actually through affiliate marketing. And what is affiliate marketing? In case you don't know, affiliate marketing is simply you're selling other people's products. So you have a company that's offering these products or services to people. So what you do, you become an affiliate. You partner up with that company, and when you refer people to that company, guess what? The company pays you commissions for for sending them that referral. So you get products that you can license, so that way you have rights to resell that product, and then the company is going to pay you commissions. The key here is to find companies that pay big commissions. Let me tell you, when I started this journey as an entrepreneur, you know being my own boss, right? I started in network marketing, right? And basically, this company offered, vitamins, toothpaste, different products that I could, that I actually work my butt off, try to sell those products. But guess what? When I sold those products, I sold tons of products. I'm talking about hundreds of products, but when it came time for me to getting paid from the company, I only got a tiny bit of commission of about $10. So that wasn't. It was a good experience, though. I learned a lot from it, but it wasn't paying off. I'm looking for something that really could, that I really can actually earn profit from, fast, right? Earn profit from, and that I can actually use to reinvest in growing that business, right? So if you find a company that's paying tiny commissions, you're gonna get burned out. You're gonna find companies that pay huge commissions. So what I did is I found an affiliate marketing company that paid, that paid a lot. They paid almost all the commissions. They paid most of the commissions for each sale that I made, and that's what you want to do as well. So let me cut that to make the long story short. With affiliate marketing, you're actually getting paid for selling other people's products, but you want to also make sure that the products or the commissions that you get paid are actually high commissions, high ticket commissions, because that way you're going to have, you can actually make a profit, and you can use that profit to reinvest in marketing and keep growing that income, right? So those are really the three methods, legit methods, that you can use, that you can actually get rid immediately to make money online in a legit way. Okay, so again, they're digital products that which you can create courses. You can create an ebook and you can actually sell those online, right? Number two is coaching and consulting. So you can actually become a mentor, coach people on the internet on something that you are good at. Number three is actually affiliate marketing, right? So as I mentioned, how do you truly go out there and you promote this type of methods, right? Well, there's a few ways. There's a free strategies, right? So free strategy, and there's a pay strategy. A free strategy is basically you using, I'm going to give you two methods. You're using search engines, you're using Google, and using Google or YouTube. If you didn't know, Google and YouTube are two search engines. So what I mean by that, when you go to google.com and you type in that bar, you're actually searching for some solution. When you go on YouTube, on the other hand, you're also doing the same thing. I think Facebook also has the little search bar where you can search for things. The things that on Facebook everybody's just being social, but on Google and YouTube people are specifically searching for something to look at, whether that's like beautiful, videos of cats, or maybe how to train how to train a dog, or maybe preparing something. The fact is that people are searching for solutions to their problems. So your your way of promoting this in a free strategy is by looking for what people are actually searching for. What keywords are they searching for. The easiest way to do this is by typing, let's say if you want to be into weight loss, right? You want to help people lose weight. If you start typing on Google, you go to google.com, you start typing how to lose weight, you're gonna find suggestions. You can actually use those suggestions in the title, in the description, and in the tags, right? You can do this in a blog, or you can do this on YouTube, right? Making videos, you can do the same thing. So those are pretty much my best recommendation for you to making legit money on the internet is actually going out there and helping people, helping people find you, find your offer, find solutions. Now, when you're starting out, as I said, I will recommend, highly recommend, you do affiliate marketing. Because with affiliate marketing, again, you don't have to make your own products. The product's already done for you. All you got to do is become an affiliate or partner with this company, and once you are okayed, to go out there and promote the company's products, then guess what? As you help people find those products, those solutions, then you start making money. Okay, so that's simply um, the big picture here on how to make money online in a legit way. So hope you got a lot of value from this video, and if you want to know what is my #1 recommendation for making money online, earning a full-time income from the comfort of your home, go ahead and click that first link and watch that free video. It's going to reveal you how you can start making money online and really really redesign your life, because I just don't help people make money. I help people make money so they can actually be free, right? So they can actually free themselves from any struggles they're going through. Maybe they don't like their jobs, or maybe they want to save money, or maybe you want to retire, maybe you want to buy that new car, or a new home. Whatever the case is, this is the reason why I help people make money, is because when I help people make money, I'm helping them change their lives as well, because it changes you as you learn the process and as you start seeing results. So think of your loved one, think of the people that can benefit from that. And again, if you want to learn more about what is it that I do from the comfort of my home, and what is my #1 recommendation, if you're just starting out, or if you're already doing it, you just want an extra income stream, go ahead and click that link below. And other than that, see you next time.